What's the meaning of Barbados? Barbados. Barbados.
Barbados. Barbados. Barbados is an island country located in the eastern Caribbean Sea. The word Barbados is derived from the Portuguese term Os Barbados, which means the bearded ones. This name was given to the island by Portuguese explorer Pedro Campos in the late 15th or early 16th century, possibly due to the island's fig trees, which have a distinctive appearance. Barbados was a British colony from 1625 until it gained independence in 1966. Today, the country is known for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant culture. Its economy relies heavily on tourism, manufacturing, and financial services.